Hi guys, this is Miss Planchon. We are going to review the Science 7A final exam. These questions are taken right out of the final exam, so let's get started. Okay, so one of the questions is which occurs during photosynthesis? You're going to have several different options to choose from. So if you remember correctly, what does happen during photosynthesis is that light energy is converted into chemical energy. Okay, so that light energy is taken from the sun and it's converted into chemical energy for the plant to use. Okay, so what role does sunlight play within an ecosystem? And again, the plants use sunlight to make food. So part of photosynthesis is that those plants are using the sunlight to make their food. Okay, next question. What evidence suggests that a chemical reaction occurred? Again, you're going to have a few different answers, and you're going to choose the best one. So what evidence suggests that a chemical reaction occurred? And that's going to be the mixture generated a gas. So the actual reaction is going to be a gas. Okay, our next question. Which natural resources are plastics made from? So this is most plastics. Of course, you have your recyclable plastics and different types, but the natural resource that most plastics are made from is going to be crude oil. Crude oil makes those plastics. Okay, moving on. Which best describes an advantage to making a prototype before manufacturing a product? A prototype allows one to test the concept and improve the design. So once you have the prototype, you can make little changes to it and tweak things here and there, and that's going to help improve the design. All right, our next one. From which source does a producer receive the majority of its sunlight? From which source does a producer receive the majority of its energy? And that answer is going to be sunlight. Sunlight gives the producer the majority of its energy. That sun's powerful. How many different elements are in phosphoric acid? And the correct answer to that is 3. Hydrogen reacts with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride. Its properties are different than hydrogen and chlorine. So its properties are different than hydrogen and chlorine. And our next one. Which natural resource is brass made from? So that natural resource is going to be from ore. It's going to give it that shiny, rose gold, colory color that it gets. And again, back to photosynthesis. What does sunlight directly provide plants? And that answer is energy. Sunlight directly provides plants energy. Okay, guys, and that's it for the questions. There's a few more on there that you're going to have to study a little bit and figure out on your own, but those are some of the major ones on the final exam. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, email me. Watch this video as many times as you need to, and you'll do great on your final exam. Thanks and good luck.